like to start off by saying thank you to the creators of TechWay, because it allowed not just me but a myriad of students to open themselves up to the world of coding and other essential skills like Microsoft Word, Excel, and Python that I myself would have never introduced myself into. So thank you. And for the actual system itself, it truly is an amazing system because it's very beginner friendly. It allows basically anyone from grade 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 to introduce themselves into the world of tech.
Really amazing. It's a nice way of learning the basics of how to use technology. I've learned like how to add up numbers on a laptop or computer when like making sales. Yes, I actually want to be an IT specialist. I like computers and I like typing a lot. I like working with numbers and more with like technology. I like technology. It can give me like the basics of what to do when like something happens to a laptop, or like how to improve my knowledge on what I know with it. A web development course. So I'm currently busy with it. So yeah, I think in HTML it helped a little to get to know the basic structure and everything. So yeah, and I think since many students here are interested in web development, I think it would be helpful if we could maybe put a course into that onto the platform for them to learn.